Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today this video is about pumpkin rice. I don't know if all of you guys know about pumpkin rice, but I love some pumpkin rice. So this is what I'm gonna do today, and if you want to see how I get this nice and shelly rice, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. So guys, it's dinner time, and I'm about to cook up a little something. So I'm making curry shrimp, a little pumpkin rice, some corn, and some fried plantains. Also, I'm gonna make a little something. You don't want it? Thank you. At this point, I will be adding on my coconut milk so it could simmer in it, and then I will be seasoning my pot with some scallion, thyme, some butter, and some salt, so that could like simmer before I add anything else, which is the rice. Please go ahead and wash your rice. It doesn't matter what kind of rice, long grain rice, jasmine rice, basmati rice, whatever rice you want to wash, please wash your rice, okay? At least 2 or 3 times before you cook it. So I noticed my rice was not on low, but please put your rice on low whenever you add the rice to the pot. So this is it, guys. The rice is done and the rice is shelly. Please add butter after. I did not at this point, but I actually did after I ended my video. So please go ahead and add it. It gives it more flavor. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check my other videos out that I've been putting up. And I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.